How to change TikTok account, country, or region. Now, these few steps is very easy to follow. Of course, the very first thing that you want to do is open up your TikTok application and ensure that you're logged into the account in which you will be changing country or region. Now, head over directly to your profile located at the lower right portion of your screen. Now, in here, at the top right hand corner, you should see three lines. Simply tap on that and then go directly into settings and privacy. Now next is go into account and then go into account information. So in here you should see account region at the very last portion. To change it, simply tap on that and in here just simply choose your desired country or region. Once you have selected it, just simply confirm to save and you're good to go. That's basically it. That is how you change your TikTok account, country, or region.